Welcome to JioSh URL. Welcome to today's video on how to make workspaces using the JioSh URL platform. In this session, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to establish workspaces and manage members within them. To begin, the first step is to log into the JioSh URL platform using your designated login credential. Once you have successfully logged in, you will notice a left side panel containing various options. Locate the Workspaces option and give it a click. Upon entering the Workspaces section, you will have the flexibility to add new workspaces based on your specific requirements. To create a new workspace, simply click on the Add New Workspace button. This will open a new window where you can proceed with workspace creation. In this newly opened window, you will be prompted to provide a name for your new workspace. Once you have entered the desired name, click on the Create button to proceed with workspace creation. Congratulations! Let's assume for our example that we named the workspace support team. Now, it's time to manage the members within this workspace. To do so, locate the Manage Members option and click on it. You will find a text box where you can enter the email address of the team member you wish to add to the workspace. Once you have entered the email address, click on the Invite button. This will send an invitation to the specified team member, inviting them to join the workspace. Fantastic! You have now completed the process of creating a workspace and inviting members to it within the JioSh URL platform. You can repeat these steps to create additional workspaces or manage members in existing workspaces. If you have any questions or require further assistance, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. We are here to help you. Thank you for attending this lecture, and we hope you found it informative.